Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. Actually, it's village today because it's a witch video. How you doing? Okay, first of all, this is going to be a witch rant because I am tired. I am tired of this. I am absolutely tired of this. And if you see smoke, it's because I have a patchouli incense right here. Okay? But, oh, I need to breathe. Okay. Let's just talk about this controversial topic right now. So I was just, scrolling through my Instagram. I was scrolling through my Instagram. And then I saw this. Okay? Now what you are looking at is, good old Sephora. I don't even go in there because it's expensive and I don't know anything about makeup. But, Sephora is selling starter witchcraft kits. Yeah. 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 Okay? And this is a view from a witch right now. I'm not coming to you as a makeup person because I am not a makeup person. I am not coming to you as a religious person because I am not a religious person. I am coming to you. I am giving you witchness right here, okay? Let me just read. Let me just read some of this, okay? It says, Sephora is cashing in on the bargaining witch economy. Economy? Okay. It says, Glossy reports that perfume company Primrose will sell a starter witch kit for the little wannabe Wiccan in your life. Wannabe? Wannabe? Let me just keep reading. The 9-piece set, which will retail for $42, includes fragrances as well as various paraphernalia like tarot cards, bad vibe clearing sage, and a rose quartz crystal. Okay. Basically everything necessary for the ultimate slumber party, bruh. Slumber party introduction to the wonderful world of witchcraft as practiced by modern goop reader. Truly, the only thing to add to the mix is a picture of the Saint Willow from Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I'm not gonna bag on Buffy because I love Buffy the Vampire Slayer. But, Buffy's not real! Okay? Buffy is not real. Witchcraft is real, y'all. Anyways. A bespoke Ouija board made from sustainable wood and a coven of like-minded girls eager to try out the latest witchcraft wellness trend. When I tell y'all I'm about to cry, I've had it. I've had it with this. Sephora declined to comment but confirmed they will sell the kit. Why aren't you gonna comment? You're probably not gonna comment because you don't know shit about it. That's why you're not gonna comment on it. Cause you don't know crap. Stay in your lane. So it has 9 perfumes, a tarot deck, sage, and a rose quartz. And it says the starter kit will be available both in Sephora stores and online starting October 5th. Not only is it plenty of time to get ready to get every little girl hexing by Halloween? Little girls should not be playing with this. Little girls should not be playing with this at all. Witchcraft is not a trend. Witchcraft is not a trend. Witchcraft is nothing to play with. Stop doing this. Why are y'all doing this? Oh, but it's more enough warning for the Christian right to launch its inevitable boycott campaign. It's also plenty of time for real Wiccans to bemoan the mainstream of witchcraft. Witchcraft is not mainstream. It is not mainstream. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people don't give witchcraft a bad name because of TV. We are not going to do this. If you can't wait to... What? If you can't wait too long to join Lana Del Rey in one of the many Facebook groups trying to hex President Donald Trump, head over to Amazon for an even more complete witch starter kit. Okay, I'm done reading this. I'm done reading this. Y'all, I am so tired of witchcraft being a trend. Y'all are sucking the magic out. We really are trying to do good things for you guys, good things to help ourselves. It is a spiritual path, you guys. It is a spiritual thing. Like, there are some people who are Satanists, Satanists, you know, there's some people who do that crap out here, but it's not, I mean, it's not crap because that's what they do, but that's not what I do. Not every witch is a satanic person, and them Sephora doing this. They're doing this. You're making witchcraft seem like it's just... When you do witchcraft, you need to know what you're doing. You need to know what you're doing. This is not for little girls. These are not for little children. To be like, oh, yeah, let's do this because Halloween is coming up. No, witchcraft is not for Halloween. It's not just for Halloween. Witchcraft is a lifestyle. Just because you got some sage and you got a rose quartz don't mean crap. It really doesn't. So Sephora, I'm going to need you to get it together. And we're not doing this. Because what we're not about to do is send out these little kits. And be like, yes, let's join Lana Del Rey to hex Donald Trump. First of all, Lana Del Rey is probably not even looking at this right now. And if she is, why? Lana, why? What are you doing? This is not anything to play with. Witchcraft is not anything to play with. You can seriously hurt someone or yourself if you don't know what you're doing. You can bring unwanted things into your house if you do not know what you're doing. This is not a game. I don't understand. $42. Bad vibe clearing sage. It's everything necessary for the ultimate slumber party. Are we 5? We're not doing this at slumber parties. No. Slumber parties, do those still happen? We're not doing witchcraft at slumber parties. It's a spiritual thing. This is not anything to be playing with. All y'all gonna die. Okay. I like how they put, oh, you need a picture of Willow from Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Like I said, Buffy is not real. Witchcraft is real, okay, believe it or not. But Buffy ain't real. I love Buffy. Don't be like, oh, why are you getting on Buffy? I love Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I have watched every episode, and I've watched the spin-off of Angel. Spin-off of Buffy, which is Angel. I've watched that. I love Buffy to death, but this is serious. This is not what we're doing out here. And this is what really irked me. In a coven of like-minded girls, first of all, witches are not only girls. They're men. They're anyone. Okay? And like-minded girls eager to try out the latest witchcraft wellness trend. Stop Stop making witchcraft a trend. It is not a trend. This is real. Y'all gonna make me pull this wig off, to be honest. Witchcraft is not a trend. It is not anything to play with. You guys are for real playing with some people's religion right now. And it's not funny. It's not my religion, because like I said, I'm not religious. But this is my spiritual doing. This is my spiritual practice. There ain't enough sage in the world to fix this. Honestly, y'all just need to stop. I am tired of people going around being like, oh my gosh, yes, crystals. Oh my gosh, yes, tarot cards. Oh my god, oh my god. Like, it's cool that you're interested in it, but you're interested in it for the wrong reasons. You're interested in it because it's trendy. Because, I don't know, some star is doing it. Like if Kaylani reads tarot cards, and don't be like, you bagging on Kaylani? I love Kaylani. Kaylani is baby mama. Okay? But, what we're not gonna do is sit out here and be like, oh yes, it's cool why you guys are really sucking the magic out of witchcraft. I do not think so. I really don't. I'm tired. I'm not having this. I hate it when I see people and they're just like, oh my gosh, yes, blah, blah, blah. I need me some clear quartz because all this negative energy. Okay, yeah, there's negative energy. There is negative energy, okay? But are you just saying that just to say it, or are you saying that because you really care? Because y'all really doing this out here for a trend, and it's not funny. So this is me, Nia. I almost said my government name. This is me, Nia, who is a witch, telling y'all to stop it. Because this is y'all's tape. This is y'all's tape, and I'm done with it. Okay? Peace out. I love you guys. Bye.